Infinity Free is probably the best web hosting you can get for nothing, and it comes with no expiration date. Infinity Free offers 3 shared hosting plans only, one of which is completely free of charge. It is titled Infinity Free, and it should include unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, although it is limited to 50,000 daily hits, and unlimited hosting domains. Byet Internet Services, also known as byet.host, is a privately owned web hosting company. Among their offerings are shared hosting, virtual private server, VPS, and dedicated servers. They also offer free shared hosting and free reseller hosting accounts. FreeHostia offers free hosting plans that remove barriers to entry into online markets as well as low-cost upgrade options that allow businesses to scale. They offer what they call cluster hosting, which basically means that each asset in their network serves a specific purpose and runs only a certain type of service. AwardSpace goes one step further. Instead of a free trial, you can have a free hosting plan, including one domain and up to 3 subdomains. The free plan also promises one-click WordPress or Joomla installation, 99.9% uptime, and no ads forced onto your pages. ProFreeHost is an Indian-based free web hosting company that provides free web hosting for all types of users. The hosting has eye-catching features like unlimited features that usually attract free users. ProFreeHost is offering unlimited bandwidth and disk space. They provide essential features to manage, develop, and extend the website. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get new video updates.